Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the things that you might have noticed for some of you, not everybody yet, if you've actually installed the Patch Tuesday updates for Windows 11 on 22H2, some of you, if you've actually moved on to the release preview of Windows 11, have received the tabbed File Explorer. So that is what is available now, but it's not everybody that has gotten this new File Explorer tab feature. So I have it here. You can see that I can actually open in tabs. I can say that I want to open, say, the download folder. Right click and open a new tab and so on, which means I have access to all sorts of different files and options with the File Explorer tab. So it's kind of nice because you can open certain features, certain folders, for example, before, and if you need to move around different folders, it's kind of cool to have the tabs on the File Explorer. So it's a feature I will use, definitely. I know it's a feature that a lot of people were asking for. Now, if you're on Windows 11 22H2 and you say, well, I don't have it yet, don't worry. It's going to be available within about a week and a half. It is rolling out, and it will be rolling out to everyone before the end of the month. So if you were waiting for the new tab experience in the File Explorer, it's coming. Just be patient. And if you don't have it yet this week, because now a lot of people say, yeah, but I got it, a lot of people don't. So if you don't have it, but you know somebody that does, don't worry about it. It's going to come to you eventually. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.